99% of people are not willing to do what it takes to make their dreams come true.
That I totally forgot that today was Mother's Day. I watch news and I heard them talking about Mother's Day weekend, right? So it's like I'm saying, when on Mother's Day, I'm gonna do a little Google search. Google, somebody typing when is Jamaica Mother's Day in Jamaica, and Google said the 28th. Me. No. One of my friends asked me.
I'm like, girl, I don't even know. I'm just living day by day.
And not checking anything. So, I kinda unprepared for the whole Mother's Day thingy. So, I kinda there trying to get things together. I did do a gift for my mom. I'll show you guys that later on. But my dad is coming by my house, and you know, today is Sunday, so I'm trying to get him something to take back with him, like a little meal. He's not staying, he's just passing to collect the thing to bring to my mom. So right now, what I'm doing right now is that I cook some steamed fish. That a video where we're preparing steamed fish for Mother's Day, that the video will live on my channel. But that video will be live before this one, I think, yeah. So make sure to go check it out after you're done watch out all of this video here, right? And oh, I forgot to remind you, if you're not hit the subscribe button and you're watching, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. Yes. So I have some plantain right here in the plate here, right? This is just butter, nothing too serious. Some plantain, make a fried and plantain here. I'm gonna show you the steamed fish I'm gonna prepare right now for my dad. Look at this steam. Well on there. Let the camera fuck up. The camera is still fuck up. Alright, so see there? Okra, corn, pumpkin, Irish tomato, onion, all the good things there. One little fish in there. So yeah. And I'm going to put some fried plantain with it. I can put some fried plantain with the steamed fish there for him to pick up when I pick up mommy gift. So yeah, I'm gonna fry the little plantain them, and then I'm gonna prepare myself to do the video with the steamed fish. So stay tuned for everything else I'm gonna do throughout the rest of the day, because this is like the vlog that's I do on Mother's Day. Yeah, so yeah, so to seal off the fish for daddy, I'm gonna drop 2 crackers in there, like yes. Make sure to stay tuned. Now make sure to go check out the video where we cook the steamed fish on Mother's Day, because we have a little guest is going to help me. This one, him claim to say the way I'm steaming it, and I say it's steamed. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna check out the video there. So I'm gonna drop one little 2 crackers nice and leave it on the stove, probably package it. No. So there we have the little nice little plant and them all the steamed fish on the side, and then the kitchen messy, don't mind it. I'm gonna put this water cracker texture, so water crackers too. Now, so yeah, I'm gonna put them in a pro, so now come back too hard and the one here. Now I'm not don't come back with too hard. Yeah. my hand clean. Please bear that in mind. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. They are clean. I will just cover it and make it go on. You know? Yeah. Probably throw a little juice on top of it. Carry up some of the juice. This fish juice on top of the crackers. Here's my first attempt of the steamed fish. Alright. So, yep. That's it. I just cover it, leave it. Don't have time to share it out and all of that. So guys, listen. I didn't want to show one of the gift. Not exactly everything, but kind of on a quick pace. Quick. So my father just come. I carry me the machine and then him left me pathway and me a walk go home. Right? So my hair look puffy down. Probably still somehow it look puffy, but to me, I really like how it look. Like it have the nice. Pretty girls alone. Pretty girl. Yo, it have the nice look there, like the nice natural hair look. I feel it. So I'm gonna go in now. I'm almost to the gate. We're gonna start the official steam fish video. So yeah, I'm tired of walk from right out there, so we come right at the yard gate. Why? Man fit bad. I'm not telling them. Now, but up on the veranda chill. Ice cream truck will come and I have the 500 to go get one tub of ice cream because I mean, though I'm not a mother, I still get treated as one. Yep, get like a pampering and all them stuff there. So I need to show you guys like the steamed fish and all them stuff there we're cook, you know, we're cooking for today, and we're going to make that with some mashed Irish potato with egg in it and some fried plantain, and we have some Caesar rice that we're going to probably just warm it up and add it on the side. So yeah, make sure and look I eat when I go back in the kitchens because I'm on the veranda outside here waiting on the ice cream truck to come. We have some nice pine juice with some ginger. At the first actually I'm gonna have pine juice where it comes from like the skin. First I'm gonna have it, so we're gonna blend it up with some ginger and so forth. So peeps, wow. So peeps, I'm gonna add the skin and some ginger and add some water to it and blend it up and then pour it out and then repeat the process, you know. Yeah guys, comment down below what you know having for a Sunday dinner for Mother's Day. If today if you guys are a mother, let me know the type of pampering you want to get for Mother's Day, and let me know if you prepare for yourself. Let me know what you cook, and you know them look nice or something there. So I'm gonna blend out the juice and go on with myself. So yeah. The blender rest a little bit. Take out the strain off, rinse it off, because when you know with the pine skin you have to strain out the juice outside, because there's no way you want to eat. There's no way you want to be eating the. Let me put it up. Look at it. Alright, so there's no way you want to be drinking and you drink pine skin and the ginger all up in your mouth. No, you don't want to be doing that.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
Alright, I'm gonna pour it out in the pot right here, so you know, strain it. Eh? You told me what a while ago? Oh, but that's why I use one spoon for like get out the excess juice. Be ice cream van sound like him gone. You don't think so? Eh? You want me to call him? Eh? You soon call him. Look on the phone. So basically I'm just gonna repeat the process. So when like all it finished done blend out, I come back to Uno and show Uno the finished product. Yep. Some more plantains in the cut frying. So these plantains are the one that go in my dinner, and then today we are featuring some plantain frying. Those are the ones that went with Daddy dinner. So yep. And guys, I'm showing see the fish here. Ooh, look on the steam there. You know? Yeah, the steamed fish here finishing up and so forth. So I'm gonna tell you, Mother's Day pampering and I'm not even a mother. Alright, so we have it now. Alright, and then hear the ice cream chicken in the background. I didn't go buy the ice cream, so he went to get the ice cream, so because I'm here making a drink, so I gotta add sugar to it now. So put the sugar here. I gotta add a certain amount, then taste it to see how it tastes, then decide how much more we want. That cracked my teeth, man. Oh my god. Ice cream tastes like about 10 years old ice cream. I remember when I picked one and eat corn ice cream, I don't know that everybody, oh my god, my teeth cramp. When I know that everybody ate the cream, if that never happened to you, then I don't know what kind of childhood you had. I'm hungry, I need to eat my dinner now. This one, grape nut. Long time I ate one grape nut cream. Looks nice. Really tastes really good. Alright guys, so the steamed fish here with the crackers. You know, we're feasting over here. You know, if you are not having a good dinner for Mother's Day, I'm having it here for you. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we're gonna watch our movie, and that's the end of this vlog. So you want to big up on yourself? I just washed my face literally, and I took off my wig. So I want to big up on yourself to another vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, and goodbye.